Hello, my name is Mary Thompson and I'm with the PA Group. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the importance of adding GL account categories correctly so that your financial reports will line up accordingly. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the GL account categories. I'm already here, but the way that you would navigate to that would be going into your finance GL account categories is right here. Of course, you could also type in GL account categories and you'd be able to pull up right here. Okay, so first thing is what you're going to have to do is go into edit list. And we can see a couple things here. What I like about this is it gives us a breakdown, right? We have a description, so these are the current account categories. The bold ones here, current fixed assets, these are the only ones that are going to show up in your financial reports. So you need to take a look at how they're categorized and what is rolling into them. You can get a more detailed report by exporting it into Excel, but out of the box, the bold ones are going to be the only ones that are on your report. So we see here it says the GL account categories, and we have the numbers associated with this. So we don't want it to be in these header totals. You're not gonna, this isn't actually correct. You don't really want ranges of numbers, because if those numbers aren't represented somewhere else here, then they're not actually going to make it to the financial report. So for this example, we're going to take a look at income here, right? So when we're looking at income, we see that it's actually telling us that we have a GL account without a category, and it is interest income here. So for our example, we're going to take a look at adding a GL account category here called interest income, and then we're going to add this GL account here to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come right here, since we're already in edit, and then I'm going to hit new. I'm going to hit new again. And here I'm going to call this interest. Oops, we'll use the same one that they're using here, right? So we'll call it income interest, okay? And then we're going to, I could type in the number here because I see it, but of course, we have this fancy little drop down box as well. So I can see here, interest income, okay? And then I'll hit all right. Great, and now you see it pops away from there. These are for additional report definitions. And then of course you see the current balance that's in these as well. So when you add that, you can do a couple of different things. So like I said, if you wanted to edit this in Excel, you could drop this into Excel and then you would have the breakdown. But when we go back here, now we can see down here, we have interest income that is added, and of course we don't have any transactions there yet. If we go here to account schedules, right, so this is the income. If we look at the income statement and we went to a process and we did an overview, you can see now that we have this interest income that's tallied into here, and then it'll go into there. So we can see that it's now added into the account category, and previously this wouldn't have been there because that number wasn't listed. So that's how you add account categories when you're setting up your GL accounts and how they tie into the financial reports. Thank you.